The X7, even unfinished, does its job well. BMW succeeded in making the BMW a full-sized SUV is a true BMW and a distinctly different proposition than the primary competitors. The X7 is much sportier and more German than the Range Rover, and nicer in every way than the Cadillac Escalade. It's useless to compare the brand new X7 to the ancient and soon-to-be replaced Mercedes-Benz GLS, but Mercedes' hallmark comfort-forward brand ethos will put ample space between the coming GLS and the X7. The X7S we drove fly around the world for testing and final tuning before production begins in August. Expect an unveil either at the Frankfurt Motor Show or, more likely, the LA Auto Show. Then the X7 arrives at dealers in the first quarter of next year as a 2019 model. After that, unless BMW somehow cocks things up terribly in the next 6 months, you can expect to see a ton of X7s on the streets.